And Nessa too enough, you don't know your danger. You take on to people from the upper, you don't know people. Stay out of baby father and baby mother. Stay out of baby father and baby mother. Oh, stay out there. Did you know that I can buy those grocery carry go give my mother? You never know. You never know that. Like they put my ID. Me cannot leave a drive which part me not have to drive. Forgot my mother. Just for see. Exactly, Felicia. And then come and play victim. Me can drive this so and me say, oh, I'm a man of woman. And me just come out and start stone the two of them, bust them up with some buckle. Bust them up with some buckle and the whole community. But she doing there and the whole community gonna say, yes she be, yes she be, yes she be, I don't like me because I come from there. You know, me come from there. Yeah, me just bust them up. Just bust them up and drive go up the road. What you say? Bread one, candy badders. Me just bust them up and run go up the road. Where you gonna say me not live down there? Thank you, Barbie Slims. Make them know say I'm not defending anybody. Because you spend time when you walk and preach certain situation, others follow uno and go get in a danger. Others follow uno because others just want to know say the world are going to defend me in another situation here. And them gone with it, gone do the same thing we want to do. It not spell sense. You not go dance in your enemy community. You not visit your enemy community. If you're not affiliated with that community, you don't go there. You understand me? She come and she try it and she get where. Oh, she not beat she. Dopey no over frightened. Falla fashion monkey get left. Dopey no over frightened. Why Rosealee never come lick she in her back? Why? You see though, and Nessa pay the penalty. Nessa pay the penalty. Nessa pay the penalty. What does that say? Remember say Nessa go Rosealee all over yard, you know, with police, you know. You see say that girl they determine. Nessa, let me say this to you. If you go to courthouse and them run your track record with all of this, them are going to say you're determined to bring her down. You have a motive. And that much the people them now say. 3 times, 3 times, you have a motive, Nessa. You look wicked. And at this me say now, but people not talk. This me say. Rosealee, move from out of sea view and go all over. You go all over upon Rosealee. She has videos out there to show how you aggravate her. She go look for her kids and you trouble her. You saw the story twist. You see all the story twist. 3 times 3 times you got a yard in a moving house. 3 times. To come and see, you know what you're doing, Nessa. You're not innocent. You're not innocent. You're not innocent. You're not innocent. And it's just the truth. If I talk to you, someone needs to talk to you. You're not innocent. With you when time police are beat on the woman door. And you come and you talk about it on the app like you have dockets, you have documents, you have You talk. You talk. You talk very boastful. Rosealee can't stop people from going to see you. Wow, Jamaica have more problems than sense. Just like you're old. Just like you're old, that's why you run off. Yeah, just like you're old, people like you make Jamaica look bad. Cause you come at about, wow, Rosealee can't stop nobody from seeing you. Why you not go see you go take a girl man and boast pan her? Go do it now. Me a beg you no go Franklin to go take a girl man and come in there come boast pan her. Eh? You not talk to females and tell females where them go wrong from which part them not go wrong. Rosealee can state say she go see you. Remember it depend on her ID. It depend on ID. Rosealee can go see you, go have a talk, and get a message to her baby daddy. Remember, Jakes not signed the restraining order, so she can go straight up to Jakes. Rosealee can sip her life and do completely different when she reach a see you. You never know. You never know that. So if you not go use all of that, remember the man when Nessa got to did not sign the restraining order for him baby mother. Go suck on her mother. Oh, go suck out on her mother. I saw girl make man lose them life and no man make girl lose for them dignity. Go name on her mother. Where? Yeah. It no matter if Nessa and Jake's not there. Cause you not want no girl where say enemy friendly with your man. So we not talk about them, they can we not walk a squat out, not even through keyhole if them a grind. We not care about that. The story was said that Nessa and Jake's there. You understand me? And Rosealee class her and that's why she take out papers. So if you take out papers for a girl, where you are friend of the girl baby father so after at the same day argument, you know. Whether true or false, the same then argument make you have me a court. And you still go on like you try to prove to me say you're my man there after me, you're closest towards my man, I got trigger me. And you prosecute me for the truth in Rosalee's mind. You understand me? Nessa know what she doing, in not change the facts. Nessa a 9 for true. Jake's 8 rose body in our side. Remember we never know say Rosealee a beg Jake's grind until them kick off. Remember, we never know say Rosealee and Jakes in a whole heap of private conversation until them kick off. Remember, we never did it when them talk privately and say they want to get back together for the children. Remember, a whole heap of things. Remember me come back, come talk, you know. Oh, because no fun new to this. So, no stop it. Because if you really want to get rid of Rosealee, you get the opportunity to take out a restraining order. Now is the time for you to prison the bitch before she prison you. Why you never sign it? You act too dunce. Why you never sign it? Eh? Why you never sign it? Why it take you so long for sign it? This is the same thing I talk about. I say, Jakes like the fact when Rosealee come at him because it build great content. I'm going there. Yeah. And just so it go. He likes it. A long time she tired with him and you get the opportunity now. If you take out a restraining order, Rosealee could get us to even grab Nessa or thump Nessa or lick Nessa in her head or whatever in her head. She and Nessa would never be at the station if you had signed the restraining order. What caused you not to sign it? If you had signed that restraining order, Nessa and Rosealee would never be in the station. So make it make sense now. Rosealee can't behave how she behave because she's been thoroughly entertained by Jakes. And that's it. And Nessa too enough, you don't know your danger. You take on to people from the upper, you don't know people. Stay out of baby father and baby mother. Stay out of baby father and baby mother. Oh. Stay out there. Anna! Gang. Yeah. Yeah, Jake's coming like a full-blown handicap at this hour when it comes to Rosealee. You got the opportunity, that means you're not play upon people's emotions to get them money. You make it always seem like Rosealee a badger you when you like it because it turn you on. You like it because it turn you on. She tell you a whole heap of things in her life and try to take away your manhood. And you get the one opportunity to sign the paper and all. No, you're not signing it. And Nessa now jump in a baby father, dirty baby father and dirty baby mother situation and get thumped in her head and spit pan. And you cause it, Jakes. Yeah. Nobody enough to look for you. Yeah, you're not doing anything. The whole of the careless. Rosealee big stink, dirty, nasty and careless. GX big and dirty and careless. Me now ask you, who send me that transformer, yeah? Who send me this? The great Rashi, thank you very much. Yeah, GX big and nasty and Nessa, you're careless. You're careless, and when you're done, you're going to box boat. You see, because I have my son, and I don't make my son get too popular. And how your son feel now when you say, Rosealee spit, moving on a nasty and sick stomach. The tray I want to do, make police should lock up the tray I want to feel out of there. Yeah, police should lock up the tray I want to. Tray I want to. The one opportunity GX get. Me never gonna see you until the restraining order sign. Rosealee can come 50 yards at me. A clot. I must material. 50 yards. It's true. When I don't do that, and Nessa always come on the internet and look pity. Take that to the court, my love, and keep your mouth shut. You can't talk certain court business when you're there on my live, but you can't find yourself a Rosealee place. Make it make sense. You damn stupid. Yeah, but we done here. I tell you, I'm in my church. Talk about there's something like off. Look at the box like off. I forgot that's when I like come out of church and chat people, you know, because I miss the things then. I like come out of church and chat people, man. Oh, yeah, still. One. Dickie B. I wonder if Dickie B is from Florida. Thank you very much. I'm not like the truth. Nessa would have never leave St. Thomas and go one convention at Kingston. She'd have never leave St. Thomas and go one crusade at Kingston. She would have never do that. But yeah, leave St. Thomas come buy a store for Jakes like him a handicap. When they make Jakes go on like too much girl. The man can't get up and go. If him want him off the stove money, him not name it off. Them not eat box food. Yeah, Rona come. Eh? Yeah, Rona come. Other part them I can't understand. Oh, I give to send and to buy a stove. I must say second and a fifth hand stove you buy. A fifth hand stove. It's most a fifth hand stove you buy. A Jake's mother, she a grow Jake's. It's most a fifth hand stove she did really buy. Oh, Jake's wanted a stove, but you know a link. Eh? It's a used stove Jake's get for you and your man carry come. On the 2 on the for go. From Rosealee drive from Olaba come and save you. You can't say she wrong. When she here, you can't, you don't know say me and Rosealee defense. You don't know say me no defend Rosealee. Me is not Rosealee defender. You don't know that, but right or right. You can't tell the girl say her enemy in our community and she don't want to come look how her enemy look. Eh? And walk and spit and show a word. That's how we do it in the inner city. That's how we do it, because if my friend mate come in a community, my friend not have to talk. You don't think of me and the man there. Two! I need to come from far with all heap of base. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. My friend not have to open her mouth and me don't want the boy beat her. Me not ask you. Two! Yeah. And when I pass, I say, Rat Patrol, enough girl are real dirty stinking patrol. Hey. Me just start cut dub. I want she see me and skin up her face. That me want she do. She not have a cough. She one of them with not have a cough. Yeah, me want she look for me too. Me say my girl a what? You know me? No, me see y'all look for me, you know me? So oh y'all look for me so? Yeah. So now ask if Rosealee own community. She not have to own no community. She very territorial. Everybody we born in the inner city territorial when it comes to certain things. No girl out the road now come in, come show up my weakness. You be right. If I even pinch me, I pinch you on your way out. Yeah, you're mad. You're mad. Where you look for me for my so cold girl, where you look for me and you don't know nothing about the girl. That me know Kayan got then I'm told Kayan wait for one man. Who know Kayan, the little brown girl who used to walk beside me. Kayan wait for one man in prison. The boy there prison and Kayan him entertain Kayan and Kayan entertain him at night time. Me don't know if them attack from 3 nights or double bubble, I don't know. But Kayan entertain the man, and as the man come from prison, the man have him woman, you know. And Kayan no go must say Anatown, Kakafat. Kayan got Anatown, I'm say. The girl here say Kayan in this so with the boy. Me I tell you from experience, so when you sing you start chat. Me know me I talk. Who know Kayan and Mudfish know me I talk about. The girlfriend tell her say the girl in this song. And it's not the girlfriend tell her, the man friend tell the girl say Kayan in this song. And my love, Kayan get a piece that stretch out the night. Kayan could come over and Kayan friend them the dinner about 4 of them apart, you know. And I say, Kayan gone to the house, gone grind the man. Kayan get a piece of beating pan the body. Kayan get a piece of beating pan the body. Me say when Kayan get the beating during the dance, me say Kayan come out yard and them have to stop with Kayan in public. Them have to stop Kayan get all ratchet back. All knife back Kayan get a beater in her head, so Kayan get a piece of beating. So when no for una sit down here, so that's why I tell una say like when I hype up Nessa, una got Tivalina. Then I'm town Rima, Anatown, Jungle, Maxfield. Why Shebby? You should have done a long time for here. Cause if you can't follow the story, you're not supposed to. You're too slow for me. Go over the remedial section. Your teacher so come. You're too slow for me. Then after me done to the argument, you're gonna ask me why. Come suck out my hole. Them something irritate me. Come near my good passage. Then you really come ask me why. Come eat up my good possible. Come eat up my forced entry and the man them dig out. Eh? Then after me gone through so much talking, you're gonna ask me why? Why? Eh? You know say you can't follow argument? Me shame. Yeah, go on to church. Yeah. No, but after me done talk, so nobody else not ask me why are you what then you graduate from you with only why? I could never pay money for come out with questions. I could never do it. After you hear me attack or my friend get beaten because she go into the girl community plus I take the girl man. Eh? Then you gotta ask, I would this up that big hole and I would shock her, you know? I would shock her with something. And this is the problem. You don't aggravate the situation. Nessa, you're wrong. You're wrong, Nessa, you're wrong. You're wrong. And can't be no wronger. You're wrong. You aggravate Rosealee, and you know Rosealee a go down. You know she a go down, and you not even leave her and make she go down. You know when Nessa, let me tell you. You see Nessa knows exactly what she's doing. Nessa, if Nessa hears somebody at tear down Rosealee, and this is true, you go underneath in the comment section there, and you every single thing. Me no know all your enemy entertaining to you. That is it. Your enemy entertaining and things of your enemies entertaining to you. You see Rosealee go down. Leave her. Leave her. Make sure go and you take out your papers, Jakes. Do what you're doing now. May I send across the money to you. And that's it. No, I don't have none. I need to buy one. Rosealee can say, you see, you not miss the essence. Alright. You know, say me I take a boy from Franklin Town, right? And me hear say him woman down there. And him woman I take out things for me. Remember, me a family of Franklin Town. So if me hear say the bitch down there, you know, me can just say, me can buy a dozen egg, 2 boxes of milk and 1 bread carry go give my mother. Yeah, pan the body, the girl draft Kayan. Here, Kayan, give me my phone. That's okay, I get the man a ball. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. You know, girl come in to take it till them release, yo. Yeah. Me don't know why Kayan no run. Me don't know why. Anyways, me I come back on later. Me love on the stay blessed and keep sweet. Live, laugh and love. Pink party girl there with Trini Pinky and Trini. Sharon, big up yourself. Discover, big up yourself. Winnie, big up yourself. Big up to all of my moderator, them Bible Slims with the hypocrite self. Sea Breeze, Wama, Winnie, big up yourself. Me I come on later. Yeah, me love on no. Yeah, Evan, Wagwan. Trini there. Wagwan, Trini Pinky. Queen, big up yourself. Big up to everybody who give me this man. My love on us. Stay blessed and keep sweet. Live, laugh and love. You hear? Big up on yourself.